Hi there! Check out the absob Cordless Handheld Vacuum, a lightweight and powerful cleaner with 10K HEPA suction. This portable device features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that offers up to 30 minutes of continuous use and fully charges in just 4 hours with the included wall charger. It effortlessly tackles pet hair, crumbs, and dust on furniture, carpets, stairs, and car interiors. The built-in LED light helps you clean hidden corners and low-light areas with ease. Plus, it comes with 2 washable and reusable HEPA filters to keep your vacuum working efficiently. Compact and cordless, it's perfect for quick cleanups at home or on the go. Experience strong suction power in a small, easy-to-use vacuum today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.